Hi, my name is Linda, and I've been coming to Dr. Roth for a little less than a month. He came highly recommended by a friend, and I started with him due to a chronic cough of 14 plus years that Western medicine has not been able to, do anything with many different counties of doctors. I've gotten significant results, which I just absolutely love. I come 92 miles each way, and I do highly recommend Dr. Roth for anyone that's really wants to feel better. He is very good. Thank you.